Hi everyone and welcome back to CPA Yoga. My name is Alex and today we're going to learn two new poses, the bridge pose and the boat pose. But first we need to take some deep breaths in to fill our body with yoga energy before we begin. So find a nice comfortable spot on your mat, sitting on your knees, sitting on your bottom or sitting on a chair, and let's begin. So a big breath in through our nose and then blow out through our mouth. And again, big breath in, blow it all out. One more time. And a big blow out. Great, I think we're ready to start. So first, let's try the boat pose. So we're going to start sitting on our bottom with our feet flat on the ground. Now if this is a little bit tricky to do, make sure you ask mum and dad for some help, or you could be sitting up the back of a wall or at the back of the couch. Okay, we're going to pop our arms out to the side and then we're going to lift our legs up just like a boat and then come back down. Now if that one is a little bit tricky to do, you can lift your arms out to the side and lift your toes. Perfect. Okay, let's do 3 together. Arms out to the side, lift your legs and back down. Make sure you look above for a different way to do it if that way is a bit tricky. One more time. Great job, awesome. Now there are a few fun things that we can do with the boat. We can lift up and drive the boat. We can raise the flag. Or we can blow the boat horn. Toot toot. Do you want to try with me? Let's go. Drive the boat. Raise the flag. Or toot the boat horn. Toot toot. Great job. That's how we do the boat pose. So now for the bridge pose, we're going to start laying down on the ground. So get yourself comfortable. Legs out straight, and let's begin. Let's bend both our knees up, and we're going to push down through our feet and lift our bottom up off the ground and try and make a nice straight bridge. Great job. Let's try again and make sure you look above if you need a way to do it in a chair. Let's go. Up. Nice straight bridge and back down. One more. Up, up, up. Good job. Make sure you lower down nice and slow. Excellent. Now, who wants to make an extra long bridge? So what we're going to do, lift our bottom up, bring one arm out straight and one leg out straight. There's our extra long bridge. Great job. Now come back down. How about the other side? Up we go. Arm and leg, super long bridge. Great job. Keep it up. Arm and leg for a bigger bridge. One more. Up, 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 up. Make sure you keep your back nice and straight. Arm and leg bridge. Back down nice and slow. Well done. Now to get back up, we can either roll onto the side and push ourselves up, or we can hold underneath our legs and swing ourselves up. Back up to the start. Okay, let's put the boat pose and the bridge pose together. So starting with our knees bent all the way up, boat pose, toot toot. Come back down. Now lay down on the ground. Bridge pose. Great job. Now coming back up. Let's go again. Arms out to the side. Boat pose. Do, do. Legs back down. Lowering down. Bridge pose. Well done. Coming back up. And find a nice comfortable spot on your mat. We have finished all the poses for today. So now we're going to finish with a few more breaths. So get comfortable, lying, sitting, or sitting on a chair, and let's go. Big breath in. And blow it all out. Another big breath in. Blow it all out. One more. And blow it all out. Great work, guys. So as always, we're going to put our hands together at our hearts and say this special yoga word to finish. Namaste. 1, 2, 3. Namaste. See you next time.